Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you on how to connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress seamlessly. If you're looking to grab some affordable hosting or domain names, check the link in the description for exclusive discounts, which also support our channel. Let's dive in. First, purchase your domain on Namecheap. Once you have it, it'll appear in your dashboard, ready for the next steps. Copy the domain you want to link to WordPress. Next, head over to your WordPress account. Look for the Upgrades section, then click on Domains. In the top right corner, you'll find an option to add a domain. Select Use a domain I own. Paste your copied domain URL and click Continue. You'll be given two choices: connect your domain or transfer it. We'll keep it hosted on Namecheap and select the option to connect the domain. If you haven't purchased a WordPress plan yet, note that some Namecheap hosting plans offer a free WordPress site. You can take advantage of this by visiting easywp.com, logging in with your Namecheap account, and setting up a free WordPress site. Once logged in, create a new website, and when prompted to select a domain, choose your Namecheap domain. You can start a new site or migrate an existing one to WordPress. And that's how you connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.